All right. This one had just a couple little cracks up here. Got those taken care of. Real mild slip resistant on the bottom. Anything after 1990, it's the Americans with Disability Act. They require some sort of slip resistant. And this is, like I say, very, very mild. Mainly this one was a color change. Put in new tile, and the tub was more of an almond, or I don't even know if almond, I guess bisque would be more of the color. It's really hard to tell because of that yellow light, but this is actually Kohler white, which will match. You see the difference in the sunlight versus that yellow light. That's the color of the tub.